In this video, we will discuss the most important questions about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is very important topic of biochemistry from the examination point of view. लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1 is the most abundant biomolecule on the earth is nucleic acid, protein, lipids, carbohydrates. So correct answer is option D. Carbohydrates are the most abundant biomolecule on earth. Question number 2. The major function of carbohydrates include structural framework. They are involved in storage, both A and B, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Carbohydrates play a structural role as well as they are involved in storage of energy. Question number 3. The general formula of carbohydrates is CH2O N, C4H2O N, C6H2O N, C2H2O N, COOH. So correct answer is option A. CH2O का बाहर जो N है ये जनरल फार्मूला है किसका? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का। Question number 4. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxy aldehyde or phenol, polyhydroxy aldehyde and ketone, polyhydroxy ketone and phenol, polyhydroxy phenol and alcohol. So correct answer is option B. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxy aldehyde. Question number 5 is the structural polysaccharide includes cellulose, hemicellulose and chitin, cellulose, starch and chitin, cellulose, starch and glycogen, cellulose, glycogen and chitin. So correct answer is option A. Cellulose, hemicellulose and chitin are structural polysaccharide and they are involved in formation of cell wall of different organisms. Question number 6. The nutritional polysaccharide are starch and glycogen, starch and chitin, starch and cellulose, starch and glucose. So correct answer is option A. Starch and glycogen are nutritional polysaccharide. ऑप्शन सी भी इससे डी भी इससे मिलता जुलता है लेकिन इसमें जो ग्लूकोज है ये मोनोसेक्राइड है। तो करेक्ट आंसर जो है ऑप्शन ए है। स्टार्च एंड ग्लाइकोजन बोथ आर पॉलीसेक्राइड। क्वेश्चन 7. ग्लाइकोजन इन एनिमल्स आर स्टोर्ड इन लीवर एंड स्प्लीन, लीवर एंड मसल, लीवर एंड बाइल, लीवर एंड एडिपोज टिश्यू. क्वेश्चन 8. Carbohydrates accounts in plants 30%, in animals 20%, 30% in plants and 10% in animals, 30% in plants और 1% है animals के अंदर, 50% plants में और 50% animals में. So correct answer is option C. 30% carbohydrates काउंट करते हैं plant में और 1% होते हैं animals के अंदर. Question 9. The smallest carbohydrate are trioses. Which of the following is a triose? Option A. Glucose, ribulose, ribose, glyceraldehyde. So correct answer is option D. Glyceraldehyde is a simple trioses. Question 10. Which of the following is a reducing sugar? Glucose, dihydroxyacetone, erythrulose, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Glucose is a reducing sugar. Question 11. Oligosaccharide linked to proteins are called glycoprotein, glycolipid, galactosides, gangliosides. So correct answer is option A. ओलिगोपोलीसैकेराइड जब प्रोटीन से मिलते हैं तो ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स बनाते हैं. Question 12. In polysaccharides, the monosaccharides are joined by peptide bond, glucose bond, glycosidic bond, covalent bond. So correct answer is option C. Glycosidic bond is the bond that join monosaccharides with each other to form polysaccharide. Question 13. Sucrose is a option A monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide, triose. So correct answer is option B. Sucrose is a disaccharide. Consists of glucose and fructose. Question 14. Lactose is a disaccharide, consists of glucose and fructose, glucose and galactose, glucose and sucrose, glucose and ribose. So correct answer is option B. ग्लूकोज और गैलेक्टोज दो मोनोसैकेराइड जब मिलते हैं तो उससे लैक्टोज बनता है. Questions 15. In lactose, which of the following linkage is present? Beta 1,4 linkage, beta 1,2 linkage, alpha 1,4 linkage, alpha 1,2 linkage. So correct answer is option A. Beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage is present in lactose. Question 15. Maltose is a disaccharide, consists of glucose and fructose, glucose and galactose, glucose and sucrose, glucose and glucose. So correct answer is option D. दो ग्लूकोज आपस में मिलते हैं तो उससे माल्टोज बनता है. Question 16. In maltose, which linkage is present? Beta 1,4 linkage, beta 1,2 linkage, alpha 1,4 linkage, alpha 1,2 linkage. So correct answer is option C. Alpha 1,4 linkage is present between two glucose monosaccharide which combines to form disaccharide maltose. Question 17. In amylose, the linkage present is beta 1,4 linkage, beta 1,2 linkage, alpha 1,4 linkage, alpha 1,2 linkage. So correct answer is option C. Alpha 1,4 linkage is present in amylose starch and it is unbranched. Question 18. Cellulose is made up of repeating units of beta 1,4 linkage present between D-glucose units, beta 1,2 linkage between D-glucose units, alpha 1,4 linkage between D-glucose units, alpha 1,2 linkage between D-glucose units. So correct answer is option A. बीटा 1,4 लिंकेज जब प्रेजेंट होगा दो ग्लूकोज यूनिट्स के दरमियान तो वो मिलकर सेलुलोज बनाएंगे. क्वेश्चन 19. Amylopectin starch have linkage beta 1,4 linkage, alpha 1,6 linkage, alpha 1,4 linkage, both B and C. So correct answer is option D. Both B and C. It's mean amylopectin starch have alpha 1,6 linkage as well as alpha 1,4 linkage. Glycosidic linkage. Question 20 जो कि आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. Chitin consists of N-acetyl muramic acid, N-acetyl glucosamine, D-glucose units, N-acetyl muramic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine. So correct answer is option B. N-acetyl glucosamine is present in chitin. Chitin is the chemical which is present in the cell wall of fungi. तो ये थे 20 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इस चैनल से आने वाली लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप